Welcome back to Unstitched with Rich and Anton.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the next installment of Unstitched. And this week, Rich and I are going to be debating a hot button subject. Are we going to go with no socks at all or no show socks? Rich, what's your position, bro?
You know what? This is a tricky one, but since it's summertime, it's a good one. I'm going to go with no socks at all. I'm guilty of that. No socks at all in this summer heat. That's what I like to do. I know some people will turn up their nose at it, but it's more comfortable for me.
All right. I mean, I guess I can see your position, but I always feel like the safer route is to go with the no-show sock. Why? You don't have to worry about your feet slipping around inside the socks. And when it does get hot, especially if you're in like a full leather loafer or something, that foot's going to sweat. Like, it's going to sweat. And with the no-show, you get the protection of having a sock, but you have the look of having no socks. I mean, that's, I like that. I really do.
Yeah, I'll give you that. But on the other hand, something I don't like about the no-show socks, most brands of the no-show socks, let's be honest, they never stay up on the back of the heel. They start sliding off. Next thing you know, you're stepping on them. It's irritating. And I just don't like fooling around with it all day, especially if I'm out walking around in the city. That's the last thing I want to do is fight with these socks all day long,
No,
So
go ahead. I'm sorry.
No. So we just go no sock,
No, I get that. I have in the past gotten a couple of different no-shows, and they can roll off the back. And I'm gonna tell you something else that's a little tricky with them too. They can feel a little funny. Like sometimes they go a little too short, and it's almost like they just hooked on your toes. And it's just not enough. You don't have enough substance in the sock for it to even stay on. So I kind of get what you're saying. But for me, I almost would just rather go with it. Just go with the no-show. That's where I don't feel like having a sweaty foot in a shoe. It just feels disgusting. Like it's almost like you walk through a puddle and now you just got your wet foot all day. You know it, bro. Don't try to dispute it. You know it.
So you'd rather look like a ballerina. I get it. The thing about it is another thing about the no-show. I'm going to totally crush the no-show.
Oh, here we go.
The reason for it is a lot of times if it isn't, hanging on by a thread, it shows when you're wearing some nice loafers. And that's so tacky to me. When people can see that sock, it's equivalent of like having toilet paper on the bottom of your shoe. I mean, it's just so unsightly, man. I mean, so to avoid all that, I ditched the no-shows and I just go sockless, man. It's a classier look.
In my mind, I was like, he's gonna go for
he's
gonna hit me right where it hurts. I knew you were gonna go there, and I was hoping maybe I'll be able to be able to dodge it this week. But no, you're right. I gotta give it to you. The sock poking out, and it's always like of course you can never get your skin tone, so it's never going to be a complete match. But you're right. I mean, that little baby sock showing on the top of a loafer, ooh, it is. It's terrible. I mean, you might hear like ding ding ding. It might be like this could be, but again, if you can find the right ones, like, and granted, if I'm in a loafer, something like that, and I'm, maybe some shorts in a loafer, you might have to roll the dice, just powder up the foot.
There it is.
Vaseline the top, powder the bottom, Vaseline the ankles, and then just go with it. And you just got to deal with the swamp foot and just, you do it for fashion.
Yeah, you really do. And,
swamp foot for fashion. We got to start a hashtag.
It is going to be, it can get sweaty. But the thing,
Yeah.
of course, I mean, guys that are watching this, of course, they're into good hygiene. So, give them a good scrub down before and after. And I really, and like you said, a little talcum powder, baby powder in there.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. That helps. It's a great way to do it. It's just the one thing you want to avoid is, we already talked about it. I won't keep bringing it up, but just seeing that little sock peeking out, it's such a horrible look. It just ruins everything. So guys, give us your opinion. Maybe you're somebody who's like, no socks, that's just gross. Let us know in the comments. No socks or no show socks. And I want to see who wins this one. I'm not sure. What do you think, Anton?
It might be a rare victory for you, Rich, but we'll see what everybody else says.
All right, we'll see. We'll see, guys.
This was Unstitched.